Hello friends, welcome to Suku Automation. Today we will discuss about how to create a Cucumber framework using Maven. So before going ahead, I'll tell you what is Cucumber. Cucumber is an open source tool that supports PDD framework. It also provides the facility to write the test case in your readable or human readable language, which is Gherkin language. So, in this session, I'll tell you what all the steps we have to create the Cucumber framework. The first step is create a Maven project. Second step, the required dependency we need to add in the pom.xml file. Third step is create a file. Fourth step is create a step definition file. The fifth step and the last step is execute your feature. Here we need to create a Maven project. If you don't know how to create a Maven project, you can also navigate to the previous video, which is how to create a Maven project. Now we need to create a Maven project. Click on new, then click on Maven project. We need to do one thing. Click on a Maven project. Now it is fine. Yes, click on create sample project. If you don't know which is your workspace, so you can correct this path. Yes, this is your workspace location. Now click on next. The group ID you can type anything, which is here I am typing Seco automation Cucumber, and artifact ID is BDD sample. Okay, so click on next, click on finish. Now your BDD sample project is ready. Yes, so many of us don't know what all the package we need to create that, right? So first we need to create the three packages. First is feature. Your feature package is also ready. The second thing is create step definition. Your step definition package is also created, and the third one is your runner, which will help you to execute your test runner file. Now we need to add the dependency, right? What all the dependency we need to include that. So just navigate to the Google and type Cucumber Maven dependency. If you don't know, I'll share this link. You can refer that. Here I've already copied the what all the required dependency. I'll copy this and paste it inside the Cucumber pom.xml. Okay, your dependency is also ready. Now, so many of us don't know which like what is test runner class. Basically, test runner class is nothing but it will help you to execute the Cucumber framework. Okay, your test runner class is also ready. Okay, fine. Yes, your test runner file is also executed. Okay, import run with JUnit Cucumber class. Here I have added the required suggestion. That is done. Your Selenium, SRC and Java and your feature, that path is correct. Now we'll execute this one. Okay, or we can do one thing. First we need to create this feature file, right? So click on, we can type login dot feature. Your feature file is also ready. We can remove the this thing is not required as of now, or this is also not required. Fine. Okay, that is correct. And is also not required. Fine, we can remove this one also. And your the last syntax. Okay, this is pre-generated code which is generated by the Cucumber itself. So click on save. Now we can execute this file. Your feature file is ready and your runner file is ready. Now we'll talk about the step definition in later on. First we need to execute this file. Okay, fine. So the failure message is the basic advantage of Cucumber is it will help you to what all the method we need to include that, right, which is not implemented yet. So this method we need to include inside that Cucumber file or step definition, right? So this method we need to include in step definition. Okay, so this is your step definition. We can create the login step definition here. Yeah, so we have already copied this. This is not required, we can remove this one. Okay, now import given, that is correct. Import when, that is also correct. Import then. Now your feature file is ready, which is generated by I have already generated this one by the Cucumber only, and your runner file is also ready and your step definition also ready. So here we need to use the glue keyword. With the help of features keyword we need to include the where is your feature file or where is your feature package, and with the help of glue we need to include that where is your step definition. So here we can use the package name. Yes, that is done. Now we can do run as JUnit. We'll see what will happen. There is some error. Okay, we'll resolve this. There is some error. Okay, we'll check this. Okay, what is the error? Okay, I want to write a step definition with precondition. Okay, line number 12. Okay, that is correct. Okay, fine. So here we need to use some dummy code. We need to put some dummy code while we are using system.out.println hello Seco automation. Your second one is, you can please do like and subscribe, and the third one is sample code is thanks. So this is the pre, or we can say that this is like a pre-code or sample code which I have included as of now. We'll try to execute again test runner file. Okay, now your error is gone. Click on JUnit test cases. We'll see what will happen. Yes, now it is saying perfectly fine. Okay, your title of your feature is your feature file name. Title of your feature, it is saying that the feature file which you are executing is now executed very well. So yes, we have the output. Perfect. Hello Seco automation, please do like and subscribe, and thanks. Yes, so this is the example how we can create the Cucumber framework, right? So now we are able to create the Cucumber framework with the help of Maven, right? So you can also add your code to launch the web browser or to launch the any kind of application. with the help of this framework. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe also. Thanks.